Day in the life of a nanay na freelancer na may monster kids. And I decided na mag-vlog because gusto kong i-share sa inyo yung mga struggles namin. Struggles! So, andito kami sa SM and I'm not sure if you guys are aware but my kids are fully grown. Like, literal na fully grown. They're both almost 6-footers. Ha?
Ako naka-17.
Hindi. What if? So, we are choosing shoes for them. Kailangan nila ng bagong sapatos dahil nasira na yung sapatos nila. And when I say nasira, pakita mo anak.
Sino hindi pumapasok? Papasok ako. Gamit na gamit na.
So, dito kami ngayon at napili ng mga sapatos ng mga monster kids. Kapag dalawang anak mo yung nasa college, medyo matututo ka talaga magtipid. Ito naman mga lumang shoes nila, mga 2 years na halos nilang gamit. So, in all fairness naman with the kids, tumatagal naman yung gamit sa kanila. However, ang isang shoes ngayon cost around 2,500, 3,500. Dalawa silang bibili. So, sabi ko, may budget lang sila 1,000 and para mas maiwasan pa yung pag-overthink. I only gave them 30 minutes para mamili. There were some pushback, meron mga hurdle, kasi mga design na gusto nila medyo mahal. But at the end of the day, it was a success. Now we're here.
680.
Ano yan?
Tokyo Drift. RX-7 ni Han. Itong isa yung RX-7 ni Dominic.
Dominic Churaro.
Hindi ko na-picturean yung charger.
Ganda naman ang model mo. Lightning McQueen. And we're home and that is a success. For this vlog, I'll see you in the next one. Bye!